Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm getting ready to go to the beach today. I've just dropped my beach ball and I've got my bucket and a spoon instead of a shovel. So today we're going to make moon sand, also called kinetic sand. You'll need flour, some oil, either baby oil, vegetable oil. I don't have either of those. I'm using corn oil. So, our recipe calls for 8 cups of flour. So I've got my big bowl here. And I've got my measuring scoop. So help me count. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I just made a mess. I'm going to have to clean up when I'm done. 4, 5. Did you notice how I am using a table knife to even off the top? Okay. I'm making kind of a mess too as I go. 6. Well, I'm not so sure that I maybe needed a bigger bowl. 7. And 8. So now that I'm done with the flour, I'm going to put that aside. Now, I did wash my hands before I started. So this is what 8 cups of flour looks like. Parents, if you want to only do half of the recipe, that might work. This is a lot, but I can think of lots of castles that will be built with this. If you do a half a recipe, it would be 4 cups of flour and half a cup of oil. Okay, so I am ready. I've got my 1 cup measuring. And I am going to look at the lines, and this says 1 cup right here on this line. So I'm going to set this on the table, and I'm going to pour carefully up to this line. I'll show you when I am done pouring. Oh, I didn't realize the corn oil wasn't open yet. Okay, here. I'm pouring now. Going to pour it up to the line. Now, I expect that if you're helping to pour, this should be on the table or the counter so that less chance of mess. But my camera won't show it if it's like that. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in to the flour. I'm not going to pour all of it yet because I don't know whether it'll need more or less. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in and then I'm going to mix it. Hands are good to mix it with. I'm using a spoon today because I'm on my kitchen table and not the not the counter. I will probably use my hands in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm going to take that off of my spoon. Here we go, and I'm going to add the rest of the oil. Okay, I am mixing it. Okay, let me see. Now, parents, you can add some, if you're not using baby oil and you want it to smell nice, you can use essential oil, but those are kind of expensive. It doesn't need a scent. Lavender oil is safe for children. Some of the other oils are not, but I know that lavender is. Okay, now it's time to get in there with my hands and crumble it up. So can you think of something that you would like to make with moon sand? I think that I want to make a castle. I could have done this in an empty dishpan that I have, which would be great for playing in, but it's not clear, so you couldn't see how it looks. So this is how it looks so far. It feels, how does it feel? Oh, it feels soft and crumbly, and look, it sticks together. So let me see. I think I need my empty dishpan to dump this in very soon. Or you could use it right in the bowl, whatever you make it in. So I am thinking that I am going to use a plastic cup because I have one. And I'm going to pack this moon sand in to make a castle tower. So, wow, this was a really simple recipe. I'm glad that I found it on the internet. I looked for baby oil and I couldn't find any. So I was just going to replace it with corn oil because I knew I had corn oil. But the recipe that I found this morning has baby oil or corn oil. So any liquid oil that you have that you don't mind using to become beach fun